So I moved the baby chicks out into the garage. They're about 3 weeks, but they're starting to get a little messier and smell bad quicker with all the ammonia, the poop and pee. So I'm getting them a little set up out here in the garage. Our house was starting to smell. And like I said, they're about 3 weeks old, so they probably need a week or two before we can put them out into the bigger chicken coop area. My setup, I just got a big plastic bin, and I just found these little pieces. You can try to find any kind of, you know, top to put on it just to keep them inside, because they like to try to jump out a lot. And I got this smaller plastic bin. I tried to cut a hole in it and it didn't work out perfectly, so I didn't want them to get hurt, so I just put some duct tape around the opening. And this just keeps the water a lot cleaner, because they like to scratch and kick up the little shavings, and it ends up getting in their water and contaminates it very quickly. So I thought this would help work it out. So I thought this would help a lot in trying to keep the water cleaner for a longer period of time.